Okay, so this is my first video on the C1 in a while, and I just want to show that we have gotten a new stereo in the back of the car. So here it is, and what we have done. Okay, so to start off with, we have gotten two new speakers here, something like the last ones, but these are just better overall. And here, down in the trunk, then I've gotten a 10-inch bass, I think, and amplifier for that right here. You can really see there, and amplifier for the speakers here. That is what we have done this time with the C1. And when we get more into it, we are going to change the speakers here in the dashboard also and hook it up to the amplifier in the back. I have run the wires for it, so we just need to buy some. Yeah, it took 5 hours to change it, but it's quite easily. So yeah, my first video in a while. Not a good one, or yeah. Hope you like it.